Mulberry House has a dishwasher that you're free to use. It is quite simple to use. You turn on the power by pushing the power button. It'll sort of illuminate the buttons. We suggest you keep it at the Eco 50 button, and we use tablets that you put in the machine. So the tablets are located to the left. You take one of those, and then what you can do here is that you can open up the machine, so you'll find, here we are, we've loaded up the machine. You then put the tablet in here and then close this, and it clicks shut and it will stay shut. You then shut the door and then push this button for tablets. This will illuminate here, and then you push the start button here. That will then start the machine, and then it will beep at the end when it's finished. And then when you're finished, turn off the machine and empty it. Thank you.